Hi guys, how are we doing? Phil Kent here, and just bringing my first video on the program Save Club, which you can see on the screen. The Save Club is a revolutionary savings and earnings opportunity program, so you can basically make money by saving money, and you can also make money by helping others save money. It's a fantastic program. I sometimes don't always look at these particular sort of power line structured programs, mainly because I haven't liked the sort of products that are involved. When it comes to savings, and particularly sort of travel savings and things like that, then I'm always open to getting involved, because we love to travel, myself and my wife, so if we can use this site to maybe get some decent savings on travels and other things that are involved, then all well and good. Now what you're looking at is one of the websites that you get when you want to join. So this video is all about how to join and how to get started, because some people just like the basics. So when you look at someone's site, you're going to come to a page such as this one. There are a couple of different pages on offer, but pretty much this is going to be the sort of standard for you. There is a different version of this called the sales page, but it's the same principle. Now you're going to get the short video here, well worth watching, and then just drop your name and an email and secure your position. Now when you get that, you're going to be registered basically as a pre-enrollee. I've just made a dummy account just to show you. So I obviously can't show you mine because it's already joined. And this is what you're going to get. You're going to get basically congratulations, whatever your name is, your free temporary pre-enrollee position is available, and the cut-off is Friday, which is why I'm making this on a Friday in the UK, and there's only a sort of few hours left to lock in your position. Now if you've seen the likes of, say, Live Good, Got Backup, anything like that, you're going to be very familiar with these power line structures where you can, just by registering, you're going to have a temporary position given to you, and if you want to lock in your position before the cut-off day, which is Friday, you just need to pay and enroll. Now this is a very powerful program. It's very reasonable. The cost is just going to be $19.95, so call it $20 a month, and there's a one-off $60. I think it's an annual affiliate fee with this one, but that's if you want to get involved with the compensation plan and the matrix and everything else, and the sort of money-making opportunity side of it that is attached to it. If you just want to be part of the membership, then you can just pay the $19.95 a month membership, and you're going to get access to all the membership benefits, etc. Okay. So when you look through, there's some videos obviously dotted about. The Save Club have got their own YouTube channel, which has got a lot of webinars that were worth checking out if you want to do a bit more due diligence. It's a very powerful system. At Save Club we have two goals: help you save money on the things you're already doing, and help you make money easier and faster than any other company in the industry. Now timing is everything with these, so if you get in early, obviously they've got the 2x16 matrix, whatever it's called. I think that's the right phrase for it, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's got a very powerful compensation plan, and you've got matching bonuses and things like that. So and the good thing is you can earn spillover in these programs. Some people get it, some people don't, so do not join as a guarantee that you're going to get guaranteed spillover, because it probably won't happen. But if you just join it, and then if you do get it, it's a bonus. As I say, you've got the tabs here. You can click here to learn how to save money, learn how to earn an extra income, and get started now. So if you're happy with what you see, you've done your due diligence, get the words out, you would then click the Join Now button. Okay, and I said this is the dummy account that I've made. It's not even a real email address. It's just to show you that I could show you the inside of joining up. So then you choose your payment method. You got crypto or China Union Pay, which has already changed since I joined because it was just the credit card available. Then you fill out your details, etc. Create a username and password, and then you come down to join. Now there's two options available upon joining. You've got the $19.97 per month plus your $60 affiliate fee, so that's just $80 to pay, or $79.97 on the day, and then just $20 a month, near enough. Just making it easier on figures. Or you can take the VIP yearly membership, which is $239.97 per year, plus your $60, which makes it a total of $299.97 today, as it says now. I think on a quick calculation, obviously, you're not actually saving anything there, which is quite unusual. Normally you get a month or two free when you take the yearly option, but what they're saying is you've got the VIP yearly membership, so full access to all the discounts plus maximise your earnings with VIP membership bonuses. So I think that, basically you're going to be in line to earn more sort of bonus commissions, etc. when other VIP members join you. So if you're a big leader, a big recruiter, that's probably the better option. I'm quite surprised there's not a discount on that. That was what sort of, I do point out things that are sort of slight negatives and positives. So if you just want to go for the standard membership and join in the compensation plan so you can earn from recruiting, then definitely go for option number 1. That's my personal opinion. Then once you've joined, you've locked in your position, you get access to all the dashboard, which will give you access to all your bonuses and your discount membership, should I say. You get discounts on travel, shopping, food, eating, and quite a lot. If you look at one of these sales pages, if I can find it, this is my welcome email. Let's have a look. Just trying to have a look at the. Let's go back a page. There we go. So the ultimate savings and earnings experience there. As you can see, save thousands every year. This gives you another breakdown. This is just another of the websites. Start experiencing unbeatable savings. Like I said, they've got 850,000 hotels, 50,000 restaurants, and over 150,000 retail stores. I've looked up the membership savings, etc. from a UK point of view. At the moment, there are some there. There's not as many as UK, but this is very early days. The company's only just recently launched, so it's definitely going to be expanding. If you watch the webinars, I talk about how I think more and more retail partners are being added all the time. So it's just a natural expansion that's going to happen. But in my opinion, this is a much better program. There was nothing wrong with the Live Goods and Got Back Ups. I'm not knocking those at all. Just for me personally, I think this appeals to a wider audience because everybody wants to save money on things they're already doing. There's a lot of save memberships out there, but this is extremely low cost and it's only going to get bigger and better. So that's how to join. You're going to get those links, get on board. You can learn about how to post. I've put my own Facebook group together already. I'll show people how I recruit, how I get leads and members on board and things like that. But get involved, guys. It's a great program with a good CEO, good ownership, and I think this is going to grow quite fast. If you remember how Live Good took off and then Got Back Up took off as well, these sort of layouts of these power lines are very, very popular. And it's low cost. It's something that will easily either become your primary income source or just work quite easily alongside what you're already doing. So I'll drop the links below the video. Drop any questions or comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Whatever you're doing, have a great day and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.